Here now taking a look at the Doqaus Life 4 wireless headphones. As you can see, there's a box just there. Nice presentation as always from Doqaus as well. And there it is with the branding on the back there. So let's go and have a look and go into it. Now, first time we've opened this up as well, so you guys can see us opening up live. Now here are the headphones here. Now there's no fancy packaging at all with this, as you can see. It's just straight into the headphones, which is fine actually. I don't mind that a lot of the time. Now also we have in here a USB-C charger and the instruction booklet too, and a quick start guide. I'll put those to the side. And here are the Doqaus headphones here. So looking at to start with, they look very, very plush. So you can see how they've got the lovely plush over headphones here. Now that feels, see how deep that is compared to my finger. That's a little deeper than some of the other ones I've used, which is really, I think, be quite comfortable when using it. They swivel around, I think 90 degrees, that is. So, and they feel quite light, but they do feel good quality actually. You've got the wireless headband in the back there, adjustable there as well. They give a bit too, which is good, so they're not putting too much pressure on your head. And there's a Doqaus sign on there. So you've got a 3.5mm jack you can use for headphones, USB-C charging, and you can also change. You've got 3 different EQ settings here as well, which you can do. Now they have 5.3 Bluetooth as well. So yeah, they're quite good. Now I like the fact that they've got pre-EQ settings as well, because you change it depending on the kind of music that you like. If we go over here as well, now over here you've got play, play pause, turn it up, and I think you can also change tracks using that as well. Let's just go and turn them on now and just see how it comes on. Let's hold down that button. So power on, I could hear that happen just then. Now I use Bluetooth 5.3, so they've got good connection. Not Bluetooth 5.4, but that's fine. And as I said, they weigh 219 grams, so not that heavy. And they've got 90 hours playtime, which is a good amount of playtime, I'd say. You get a good range out of them. They also use multi-point connection, which is another big bonus. And they also have mics built in, obviously similar to all the other ones. But we'll test out how the mics actually work. So there they are there. Now it also comes with a 3.5mm jack too, I believe. Let's go back and look at that cable. So there it is just here. Let's go and take a look at it. So, oh, there we are there. It's a great bonus. Not all headphones have this these days. It's great to have that. And you've got the USB-C cable there as well. A very, very nice touch, but all in all, quite a nice pair of headphones. I mean, they are the plastic build on them, but I think they do look quite nice. And I could see myself wearing these as well. And because they're not too heavy as well, I don't think they'd get too hot either. So, yeah, Doqaus